Aiden,
What?
how excited are you?
I'm super excited.
Yeah, what you about to do today?
Go to the shooting range?
For your first junior rifle class?
Yes.
Super excited. You guys excited?
My legs can barely bend. I don't know if I get excited. Huh? Oh, this is wobbling. So good jello. Oh, then ping pong too.
You go to half top. Okay, take up the slack. Okay, take a breath. Let some of it out. Hold it. Squeeze. One more time. Okay, take up the slack. Take a breath. Hold it. Squeeze. Good, perfect.
No loaded gun permitted off the bay. Look at that. No loaded gun permitted. Okay, now it's much clearer.
Your glasses good now?
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm not foggy. Oh, what the heck was that? What?
How?
Someone, Daddy, can you help me wipe this? Daddy, can you help me?
Gun Club Junior Clinic. This is the live fire force. You already had a safety briefing by Dave Menaggio. My name is Vincent Van Hoven. I'll be the range officer. I'll be running the range. I've got help from John George and my two juniors, Simone George.
Yes, I do.
And my son Luke, right here. Howdy. Now these two juniors here, they're very accomplished juniors. They shoot high power at 200, 300, 600 yards. If they give you a tip, listen to it. It's worth money, okay? Listen to their tips. All right, we will be shooting at these targets to begin with. After we shoot the targets, we're going to put some metal targets up and have some fun. But what we're teaching you today is marksmanship, okay? We're going to teach you marksmanship. With this marksmanship skills, you'll be able to shoot rifle, pistol, shotgun, okay? Gun safety is paramount when you're on the firing line. Make sure that no rifle points anywhere but downrange. Do not pick up a rifle and turn it around, okay? These are real rifles. You understand me? These are real rifles. We're going to be putting bullets in them. You have to respect guns. Firearms need respect, okay? If you have any questions at any time, you raise your hand. Someone will come help you, all right? So basic range commands. First most important range command is cease fire, cease fire. If you hear cease fire, cease fire, you take your finger off the trigger, you open the bolt, and you lay the rifle down. If you hear cease fire, it's because something unsafe. Maybe someone's pointing the gun in the wrong range. Maybe somebody's down range, okay? So cease fire is a very important command. When you hear that command, you stop firing. I'm not the only person who can call cease fire. Any one of you can call cease fire. If I tell you to start shooting and there's somebody standing behind target number 3, what are you going to say? Cease fire, loud and clear so we can all hear, okay? After we shoot, the rifles will look exactly like they look now. They will have a yellow empty chamber indicator in them. That's a piece of plastic that goes into the chamber, which lets me visually see that the guns are unloaded because there's a plastic piece in the chamber instead of a bullet, okay? Does that make sense to everybody? So when you're done shooting, it'll look like this. You'll have your mats folded up, the guns on the bags, and the empty chamber indicator inserted. When we go down range to see what we've shot, we will all be walking right through this little yellow path right here, okay? Do not walk in between the rifles. Never. Even when you're coming back, everybody goes through here. It's a safety thing. If a rifle were unsafe and it got kicked, it might discharge. We do everything we can for safety to make sure that nobody gets hurt. This is the only way downrange and back. Any questions on that? Luke will now demonstrate a good prone position. We will be shooting prone all day long. It's going to be supported prone. The rifles will be on a bag. And the portion of the rifle that's on the bag is not the barrel, but this stock, and you don't want it up here. You want it back here. You want the rifle balanced on the bag. Okay, so if we come up and push you forward, it's because your rifle's too far back, and we need to move the whole project forward. Okay.
You want some glasses?
Juniors, they shoot high power at 200, 300, 600 yards. If they give you a tip, listen to it. It's worth money, okay? Listen to their tips. All right, we will be shooting at these targets to begin with. After we shoot the targets, we're going to put some metal targets up and have some fun. But what we're teaching you today is marksmanship, okay? We're going to teach you marksmanship. With this marksmanship skills, you'll be able to shoot rifle, pistol, shotgun, okay? Gun safety is paramount. When you're on the firing line, make sure that no rifle points anywhere but downrange. Do not pick up a rifle and turn it around, okay? These are real rifles. You understand me? These are real rifles. We're going to be putting... Okay. All right. On the line with 1 round load. Keep your leg flat. Yeah, I already got one. You put it into the trigger. Keep your finger out of the trigger guard until you're ready to fire.
Oh, okay.
All right, the range is hot. You may commence firing. We will be shooting 3 shots into the center target. 3 shots into the center target. The range is hot. You may commence firing. You see that? Really quick, first shot off. I call that a Randy Pike. That's a pike. Yeah. That's a pike. Yeah. 3 shots, good. Into the center target. 3 shots in the center target.
Only put your finger on when you're ready.
Squeeze the trigger. Watch the front sight. Follow through. When you're done shooting, open the chamber. Insert the yellow empty chamber indicator. And stand up and fold your mat back. Grab your piece of wood.
When you're done, put your
After you're done, grab your block, stand up, put your safety flags in. Can I get help with some of you guys? We're gonna be... Open it up. Stand by your target so David's look.
Which one is your target? All the way straight down? Oh, you actually got the paper. You got
I got 9. I got a 9.
Good job.
I got 9.
That's really cool.
I got a 9 and 8.
I'll say how to do it.
9, 8, and then nothing. Dang it.
All right, we're on paper. This is awesome.
That's really cool.
So there's target. Yes, it is. That one's good.
Make it you're going to shoot again. Go ahead, dry fire.
Better than this one. I think my best one was the middle one.
To the left.
No, this is actually really good.
I know, but my best one.
Follow through, you will hit it each and every time. If you start missing, you know you're doing something wrong, right? All right, go ahead, assume a good firing position. Range is hot, dry fire a little bit, we'll pass out ammunition. When you run out of ammunition, raise your hands. This ammunition's a little different than the other stuff. It's not match grade, but it still shoots. If one doesn't go off, open the bolt, get rid of it, move on to the next one, okay? You might have a dud. Get rid of it, get on to the next one. If you want more ammo, need more ammo, raise your hand. Free. Just kidding. You can have all the free. Alright, any questions?
Oh, so if you hit it off the top, it won't work.
And don't forget what you've learned, right? Everything you've learned up until this point, fire.
I'm gonna hit Ram.
If it doesn't go off, put it to the side. Yeah, we don't have
Hey.
so we can't use the gold rod.
I'm sorry, I keep on walking in front of him.
That chicken died, bro.
Yeah.
Tim, get the ram.
Like,
The little one, yeah.
flowers.
On the right side.
Yeah, that one. Daddy! That's the one I broke. Daddy, what are you doing? Shooting the chicken I broke. Daddy also wants to shoot? Yeah.
So now,
That's what they wanted. Oh, so even grown-ups are doing it? Yeah.
No, that's like a.
Oh, I broke
You wanna
the
go?
chicken!
you sure?
What? I broke the circle! I broke the piece
Want
of
some more?
it! Oh! You're so weak.
I'd shut that, straighten it out a little bit. Like this.
Kill the rat now! Kill the rat! I'm
Open this
gonna
up more.
kill the rat!
Carter, slow down. Alright? Slow down.
There you go, like this.
What?
Like you want your whole upper body to go straight. Yep. Bring your knee up.
You just shouldn't hold them.
Usually by the time
No.
my kids are like 12. So by the time
That's doing great.
we're ready.
Yay! Keep on hitting the ram, you guys. Follow the ram. Hit the red circle.
I'm gonna do it one time. See, I always thought it was.
Okay. One, two, good jam.
They're all not 20.
That was a bad bullet.
That's jam.
Huh? It's not. Put the gun, aim it that way, Carter. Put it back on the bed. It's a bad bullet. It's not jammed.
Is it in there?
No, it popped out already.
Oh, put that.
On three. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Let's do a triple shot again. Okay, triple shot. Ready?
You gotta fix your knee. I'm gonna keep on telling you. There we go.
I got it. I got it. My bullets don't work. It's amazing.
Now, most of them, it doesn't really sink in what they're doing. They don't understand the gravity of, because it's not loud, it doesn't kick. They don't realize it's still incredibly dangerous firearm.
Oh yeah, seriously. Was the accident recoil or something? Then they were, oh no.
Well, normally we have a lot of people shooting next to it, and it's that sinks a bit more in because this thing will make a sound.
He heard that.
Oh,
That's a crazy gun. There's just like 5 people shooting one time.
yeah.
Good job, Carter.